My name is Eric Ayala. I am the General Manager for Novidea in the US markets.
Now, Eric, I've got to ask, how are MGAs actually being bogged down by legacy systems currently?
Well, legacy systems are the ones that are bottling them up. So essentially what's happening is that they have data in multiple disparate systems. So it's not allowing them to communicate between those systems. So you have issues with efficiencies, reporting, basically a whole host of issues that legacy systems, disparate systems provide.
Absolutely brilliant. Now, what are some of the key challenges when it comes to the insurance distribution lifecycle?
Data. It is really all about data and how you can get data from one system to another. We see departments not able to communicate with each other, processes that are just not efficient because you are using multiple disparate systems. So those are some of the key challenges.
That's amazing, because data has almost become its own currency in insurance. So the insurer that controls their data in the most effective way is surely going to win out. So this is a key battleground. So what are the technologies out there in the market to enable these large-scale insurers to finally get to grips with this ever important currency?
Yeah, and absolutely. So Novidea, we've built our platform on Salesforce, and it allows for obviously a global architecture, big data, big technology, and it allows us to essentially build the entire infrastructure on one platform. So from lead to quote to bind to claims to accounting, all on a single modern platform.
That's absolutely fascinating. So you are effectively helping employ thousands, hundreds of thousands of employees around the world to understand their customers better because they can see that data more seamlessly, right?
Absolutely. So a customer calls in, we can recognize the phone number, immediately pop up a record. They can see their entire history from policy, payments, claims, everything in a modern platform without having to go to multiple systems to support their clients.
So how can large-scale insurers and these digitally native insurtechs and the MGAs actually manage to stay future-proof and can continue this pace of innovation that's almost quite scary?
Yeah, no, absolutely. It's all about the open API architecture. So we would certainly advise an organization to build their core system with open APIs and work with a company that has an open API business policy. Then they can integrate with all the latest technologies, not just that's available today, but technologies that are going to be available in the future. And that's really about future-proofing your organization.
That's absolutely superb. I mean, with that in mind then, how is Novidea, obviously with that open API technology at your core, does that mean that you look to partner with the best and brightest to enable your customers to stay ahead of the chain, and they can just come to you and they don't have to worry about evolving? They just know Novidea's got their back.
Yeah, so the best thing about our solution is that we let our customers decide who their partners want to be. We just provide that open API architecture. So when we do an implementation for our customer, they will go out and find best of breed that fits their particular need for every department in their organization. The end result is a fully bespoke system built on a Salesforce architecture.
It's absolutely tremendous. Now we've got to look to the insurance industry as a whole. We've talked about Novidea, but you guys are really what seems to be the wheels that are keeping everyone in motion. But let's think about this motion. Where is the industry going to be heading in the next couple of years? Insurance seems like it's about to be going through a wealth of changes.
It is, and we're seeing it in the startup ecosystem. So startups in the insurtech space were solving very simple problems a few years ago. They are now at the point of solving some very, very serious problems in the insurance space. And again, that's providing benefit to all of our customers and the entire industry as a whole.
So I got to ask, what's next for Novidea?
Yes, continued global expansion. So our product is in use in over 22 countries around the world, and we've been taken there by our clients. So we are very fortunate to work with some of the largest agencies and brokerages in the world that have a global presence. And so we'll continue to expand to support the needs of our clients all over the globe.